Good day everyone. Our lesson for today is the difference between linear equation and linear inequality. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about differentiates linear equation and linear inequality. So, what is the difference between linear equation and linear inequality? So, pag sinabing linear equation, shows that two quantities have the same or equal values. Equal values ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, that is usually with the symbol of equal sign. So, written in the standard form of ax plus by equals c, and it has a graph, or its graph forms a line only. So, line lang yung graph niya. Linear equation and linear inequality. On the other hand, pag sabing linear inequality, this shows two quantities don't have the same or equal values. It's either yung kanyang values ay greater than, it's either less than siya, less than or equal, or greater than or equal. So I already presented these symbols in our previous video about the illustration of linear inequality in two variables. So the standard form for the linear inequality can be written as ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by less than c, ax plus by greater than or equal to c, and ax plus by less than or equal to c, where a tsaka yung b is not equal to 0. At yung a, b, and c are real numbers. Graph has a shaded region that sometimes included or does not include the line. So also in our previous video, I already present to you a sample graph for the linear inequality, kung ano ang itsura niya kapag ang symbol niya ay greater than, kapag ang symbol niya ay less than, kapag ang symbol niya ay greater than or equal, at kapag ito ay less than or equal. Linear equality and linear equations have two variables in which their component is 1, can be graphed on the Cartesian plane, and the solution can be expressed as an ordered pair x and y. So those are the similarities of the linear equation and linear inequality. Now, let's have this example. So in this portion, this one is an example of a linear equation, and this one is an example of a linear inequality. So what do you think is the difference between these two standard form? Correct. So for the linear equation, we use equal sign, and for the linear inequality, we use greater than or equal, less than or equal, greater than or less than. An example in the linear equation graph looks like this. So this one is a linear equation graph. As you can see, it is a solid part line, okay, and it's only aligned with dots or with points. Okay, while on the other hand, pag sinabing linear inequality in two variables, meron siyang line katulad ng sa linear equation, pero yung mga dot niya ay nakadepende sa kanyang symbol. Okay? Kapag ang symbol niya ay katulad nito, greater than, less than and greater than, open yung kanyang dot. So, kunyari, maglalagay tayo dito, it should be open. Okay? Open yung mga dot. Ibig sabihin, that one represents the less than or equal. Kapag naman, less than or greater than. Kapag naman less than or equal, kapag ganito ang symbol niya, okay? Kapag ganyan ang symbol niya, ang kanyang line ay solid, katulad siya nito. At ang kanyang mga points ay shaded, naka-shade sila. Okay, may kulay sa loob. Then, at the same time, kapag ito ang given sa equation, scattered yung linya. So, putol-putol yung line. Halimbawa, kung meron akong graph dito, putol-putol yung line ko ng graph. Okay? Ganyan yung graph ng less than or greater than. So, putol-putol siya. Unlike this one, it is solid because it has an equal sign. Kung nakikita ninyo, doon sa ating symbol. Okay. And finally, shaded yung kanyang region. Since ang ating given dito ay less than or equal to 9, less than, ibig sabihin, going to the left. So, yung kanyang shaded is going to the left. Pag greater than, going to the right ang kanyang shaded part. So, yun ang pinagkaiba ng linear equation and linear inequality. Another, as you can see in our example, this is 3x minus 4y equals 12 and 2x minus 3y greater than 60. So again, they are not the same because the first one is equation and the second is inequality. So the graph, okay, the graph here is solid again and it has, a line, okay, a solid dot. But in this portion, as you can see, scattered yung line natin. And then, yung point dapat natin dito, so there's something wrong with the point, it should be open. No, hindi dapat nakashade ang mga yan. Kasi nga, greater than siya. Okay? Basta greater than or less than, wala siyang equal sign sa baba, open yung mga yan. And then, since greater than siya, going to the right. Yung ating shaded part. Okay? And then again, scattered yung kanyang line kasi wala siyang equal sign sa baba. So it has a shaded region and broken lines on boundaries, and as well as the dot should be an open dot. Okay? So that's it. No? Yun lang yung lesson natin. We just want to present to you the difference between linear equation and linear inequality. With that, thank you very much for your listening.